Let us now discuss how can we solve this problem. Minimum deletions for at most k distinct characters. So we are given with a string s consisting of lowercase English letters and an integer k. Your task is to delete some or possibly none of the characters in the string so that the number of distinct characters in the resulting string is at most k. Now return the minimum number of deletions required to achieve this. So what I think probably is taking this example, and let me explain you what is given in the question. So what are the number of distinct characters in the string? B and C, right? But here I have k is equal to 2, right? That means I only need at most 2. What is at most? At most means I should only have 2, or I need to have lesser than 2, right? I have A, B, C, which are 3, right? So what I'll do is delete either any of this as they all having 1 as the frequency. Now I have A here, A for 2 times, and I have B also for 2 times. But how many distinct characters are there? There are 2. As I said, if I have is equal to or lesser than k number of distinct characters, then there is no need of removing anything. I can return 0. But here I'll be returning 1. Now, y for 3 times, z for 2 times, right? So, I need only 1 at most, right? K is equal to 1. So, that means I need only 1 distinct character. That means I need to remove either this one or this one. But wait, if I remove, if I remove this, I would get 3 as the answer. But I can achieve the answer of k is equal to 1. But here, if I remove this, I only get the answer of 2. As we asked with, return the minimum number of deletions. So, we delete first. Take all the frequency of every character in a list in Python, and a map, hash map in C++, right? After that, we need to sort them, sort in ascending order, right? And I'll take I is equal to 0, and deletions are also equal to 0. Now, while I'll write a loop here, n is equal to the size of the sort in ascending order. I'll take frequencies, take all frequencies in a array named FREQ, frequency, sort in ascending order, sort frequency array in ascending order. Now, while n minus I, what is n minus I, right? So n minus I is nothing but here, if you see, if my I pointer is here and my n is here, that means there are these many distinct characters. But what I need k distinct characters, right? I need k distinct characters. So my intuition is, if n minus I is greater than k, what I need to do? Deletions plus is equal to frequency of I, and then I plus plus, right? I think it's clear for you now. But what if k is greater than frequency dot size? Then I cannot do anything and I'll return 0. Let me do a dry run from this. Here I have MP hash map firstly, and y is present for 3 times and z is present for 2 times, and I also have frequency array. I'll push back all the frequencies in the frequency array, and I'll push back this 3 and 2. Now after sorting, After sorting, it will become 2, comma 3, right? This is the frequency array. Now I'll check the condition. If k is greater than frequency dot size, no, frequency size is 2, but k is only 1. Now what I'll do? While the loop condition is while n minus I is greater than k. So 2 minus I is 0. 2 minus 0 is greater than k. Yes, it is greater than k. 2 minus 0 is 2 is greater than k. Then deletions will be added to frequency of I is 2. So if 2 is added, then I value will become I is equal to 1. Now, what will be 2 minus 1? 2 minus 1 will be 2 minus 1 will be 1. Is 1 greater than 1? No. So, we'll return the deletions at the end. So, that's how you return the deletions. That means this is how you solve this problem. And I have given the code link in the description. Go check the link. And if you like this video, do share it to your friends and do subscribe to my channel. Thank you. But before that, before going, now let us see what is the time complexity. First thing, big O of n, if n is the size of the string, to push that back into hash map, we have n, right? Now, after that, we'll be having the sorting of this frequency. If there are m characters, then sorting will take big O of m log m, right? Big O of m log m. And then I'm just iterating through this frequency array. So that would take big O of m again, right? Big O of m again. So this is the overall time complexity and the space complexity. And the space complexity is, I am considering all this like I am considering m is the distinct characters. So it will take big O of m in frequency map, sorry, MP hash map, and also big O of m in frequency array. So this is the time complexity and this is the space complexity. Thank you.